Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use our Steel Section Tool. Let's go to Tools here and then write Python script, run. Then I'll choose my file to open. Okay, so here he's going to ask me the type of the section I want. So I have the equal L sections with unequal and the UPE, HEA, HEB, HEM, and IPE. So I need the HEB, all right, then hit OK. After that, he's going to ask me for the type of the section of the HEB. So let's say I want the 500, HEB 500, and hit OK. So here we got our section. You find it in the steel section here in the closed curve, because it is closed. If you pick its closed curve, you can also extrude it upward like that. And I can also go make it again, run, and I'll check the equal L section. Okay, and I'm going to pick let's say 250 and 35 millimeters thickness. It's okay. So that's my section. Let's go here, select objects. So that's the object. Okay, I can move that there and run it again. Let's say the IPE 450. Okay, so if I go to the closed curves, select objects, so I have these two objects. I can, after that, extruded them both and just put them in this solid poly surface. It's a solid closed poly surface, and here the same closed extrusion. And that's if I want to use it.